Hi people, hope you're good. So today's client has popped in during her lunch break. She came in complaining about her skin texture and she also wanted her skin to look a little bit brighter. So I decided to go in with a Dermaplane facial. Now, because she has popped in her break, I didn't have the same amount of time that I'm used to. So I decided to give her a basic express facial, which would allow me to complete the Dermaplane facial without having to rush. So starting off with my favourite pre-cleanse oil. It contains calendula and green tea extracts, argan, rice bran, sunflower and peach kernel oil, which all work together to remove excess sebum and makeup, soothe and calm the skin, as well as containing age-defying properties. I massage this into the skin before moving on to my second cleanse. I then go in with an AHA/BHA cleanser. It contains salicylic, lactic and glycolic acids, which helps with gentle exfoliation and also soften and smooths the skin, encouraging cell turnover. To prep the skin for the Dermaplane treatment, I go in with a glycolic toner. This too helps to soften and smooth the skin to improve texture. Holding the scalpel at a 45-degree angle, I gently work my way upwards on the face, further exfoliating the skin by removing peach fuzz and dead skin cells. I then go in with a hydrating and soothing mask to help calm her skin down after the exfoliation. I moisturise her lips, leave the mask on for about 5 minutes before removing. To finish up, I apply hyaluronic acid and massage that into the skin. I then apply a rich and nourishing face cream as well as SPF 50 to moisturise and protect her skin from UV rays. Now she can go back to the office and continue the working day with beautiful and radiant skin. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Take care.